Hey students, now you see the next question, third question on the board. Is the sum of the angles of any polygon 1600 degree? How about 900? So now we have to find out, is the sum of the angles of any polygon can be 1600 degree, and what about 900? So the question is 1600. Whether it can be the sum of a polygon. Yes. Previously I said how can we find out whether it is the sum? If it is a multiple of 180 or if it can be divided by 180 without any remainder, we can say that it is the sum of the angles of a polygon. The conditions here have to keep in mind. If 1600 is a multiple of 180 or if 1600 can be divided by 180 without any remainder, that is remainder has to be 0. In that case we can say that sum of the angles of a polygon can be 1600 degree. When you divide and see, that is the work for you, 1600 degree, divide and see, it is not, you cannot divide 1600 by 180, there will be remainder, or 1600 is not the multiple of 180. You do and see, you can understand. So you can write no. It is not the sum of any polygon. It is means which one? 1600. Okay. So next part of the question is we have to divide and see or multiply and see with 180. Okay. Now next one, how about 900? 900 also you can divide and see. Okay. Now 900 when you divide by 180. So 0 will get cancelled. Yes. What will you get? You will get 5. 180 into 5 is equal to 900. 180 into 5 is 900, or 900 can be divided. Okay, with 180 you will get the remainder as 0. So we can say that 900 is possible. What is the sum of the angles? How about 900? So we can write n minus 2 into 180 is equal to 900. So therefore n minus 2 is equal to 900 divided by 180. That is we have already found out. N minus 2 is equal to 5. Therefore n is equal to 5 plus 2, that is equal to 7. I hope it is clear to you. Why 1600 is not the sum of the any polygon? It cannot be divided by 180. Here you see we can easily divide by 180. The same way you write and see this one, n minus 2 into 180 is equal to, check and see whether it is correct or not. Is it possible? Okay. So if you can divide properly without any remainder has to be 0, then you can say it is the sum of the angles of a polygon. Otherwise, no. So here for 900 we have checked it, and it is the sum of the, how many sides are there? Yeah, 7 sides of a polygon. The sum of the angles will be 900. Hope it is clear. The next question, please read and see. Next question. All the angles of a 20-sided polygon are the same. How much is each? Okay. All the angles of a 20-sided polygon are the same. How much is each? Now each one we have to find out. What is the question? 20. All the angles of 20-sided polygon. So what is n? N is equal to 20. What we have to, each angle we have to find out. how many sides are there? N is equal to 20. 20 sides are there. Now you have to find out what is each angle. You have to find out each of the angle. So we can write n minus 2 into 180. Okay. So we have n is equal to 20. So 20 minus 2 into 180. That is 18 into 180. How much 18 into 180? What is 18 into 180? Yeah, you can calculate and see 18 into 18. $3,240. Okay, you will get 3,240. Okay, so what is the sum of the angles? 3,240. Now what is the question given to us? Each of the angle we have to find out. What is each angle? See, all the angles of a 20-sided polygon are the same. All of the angles are same, equal. Okay, now how many sides are there? We have 20 sides. Okay, 20 sides we have. And what is the total angle? Total angle is equal to 3,240. And it is said that equal. All angles are equal. Then how will you find out each of the angle? Yeah, 3,240 divided by 20. Okay, how will you find out? 3,240 divided by 20. What will be the answer? The answer is 162. What is the degree? Each of the angle will be 162 degree each. Okay, you can divide and see. Yes, 162 degree each. The question was, all the angles of a 20-sided polygon are the same. How much is each? Each of the angle 162. Each of the angle how much? Now for example, you have to understand 20 sides are there. Okay, each of the angle will be 162 each. That is what the question is. So you have to find out, since it is equal, we can divide. Total divided by number of sides. So we got 162 degree. Okay.